Hey everybody, welcome back to Storytime Adventures with Miss Tori. It's January and we have a new song for this month. We're gonna sing this song for all three of our story times. It's a really fun song, and our story time this month we're going to talk about a lot about snow. So I have a Snowflake song for you, and it's to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and everybody knows that song. So here's our song for this month, and I want you to learn it and sing along with me, okay? Snowflakes, snowflakes, dance around. Snowflakes, snowflakes, touch the ground. Snowflakes, snowflakes in the air. Snowflakes, snowflakes everywhere. Snowflakes, snowflakes, dance around. Snowflakes, snowflakes, touch the ground. All right, let's sing it one more time, okay? Snowflakes, snowflakes, dance around. Snowflakes, snowflakes, touch the ground. Snowflakes, snowflakes in the air. Snowflakes, snowflakes everywhere. Snowflakes, snowflakes, dance around. Snowflakes, snowflakes, touch the ground. Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime Adventures. Today's book is called Bear Snores On. Did you know that the bears are sleeping now? Did you know that when it gets cold, they go and hibernate in their little caves for all of winter? So let's see what happens to Bear here. And this book is by Karma Wilson, and Jane Chapman drew the pretty pictures. One of my favorites. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. See him? He's in his hidey hole, in there sleeping. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. He's just sleeping and sleeping. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's making a little fire. He's so cold in there. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He is still snoozing. You think little mouse is trying to wake him up? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, now they're having a snack. Popcorn and tea. What a cool snack. Now Mouse has a little friend in here, Mr. Rabbit. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. He is not waking up. He is sleepy. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." It's starting to look like a little party in there where Bear's trying to sleep. Look, there's mouse and rabbit and badger. We got some more snacks. Now they're ready to go. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He is not waking up. He's still sleeping. I suspect by now they're making a little bit of noise, don't you think? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Now they have two more friends. Gopher and Mole have joined the little party here. Look, their fire's going. They got all their treats. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. They're having a party in Bear's house, and he's back here sleeping. He doesn't even know what's going on. You reckon he's going to wake up soon? Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... Uh-oh. Pepper's flying through the air. What do you think the bear's going to do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, he is not a happy bear. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's so sad. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Oh, maybe he'll stop crying now. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, he's up, and now all of his buddies are asleep. Oh. Stay tuned for a really cool bear craft next. Welcome back. Did you like that story? I didn't think Bear was ever gonna wake up. I thought he was gonna miss that party. Well, in your January packet, you are gonna get today's craft, which is, you're gonna get these 2 pages here, and you're gonna practice some cutting with your scissors, or you're gonna get mom and dad or grandma to help. And you're gonna cut out, after you color, I colored mine before I cut them out, but you can do it either way. So you're gonna color these pieces of his head and his face and ears, just like I did here. Here's what mine look like. There's his head, and then that's gonna go on his face, and then here's his ears. And you're gonna get your glue stick out that's in your Storytime Adventures backpack. And you also got his nose and his eyebrows, okay? His nose and his eyes. So we're going to glue those together, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to get my glue stick out. I know you guys love the glue stick, and we're going to use our glue stick a lot this month because I know how much you guys like it. So we're going to take the little circle and we're going to paste it on the big circle. How about that? So we're going to put some glue on the back of this. And we're going to put it down right there. And then I'm going to take his nose, his big black nose here. I'm going to put some glue on it, and let's put that kind of right there. Doesn't look like a bear yet, does it? And then I'm going to take his eyes. He's going to look like a sleepy bear. Oh. Starting to look like a bear. Let's put his ears on. So let's put some glue at the bottom, and we'll put one ear over here and glue it down, and we'll put the other one over here. And look who we have. We have Mr. Bear. That does look like Mr. Bear, doesn't it? You can put some string on it and hang it, or you can put a magnet on the back and put it on your refrigerator. Oh, I like that. That's the bear snoring. It looks like he hasn't really woke up yet, so he's your sleeping bear. I hope you enjoyed that. Got you some coloring skills in, and maybe you got to practice with your scissors. I will see you next week, and you guys have a great day and keep reading, okay?